Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your mobile-friendly website on Google Chrome browser. Today's every website developed with mobile-friendly, but you don't have the all-model mobile devices for testing the website. In this situation, how you can test your website to different mobile devices? Google Chrome provides the feature to test the mobile-friendly website on different mobile devices. Let's learn how you can do this. So in my website, I would like to test different mobile devices. First, you have to press the F12 key. It will be open the developer window. Then you have to resize the window. Here I have to click on the toggle device toolbar. You can also use the shortcut of Ctrl+Shift+M. This will be automatically set the mobile device layout. You can check it out. It's automatically adjusts for the mobile device layout. Here you can check it out the different mobile models. You can check here the iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, iPad and many more options they are provided. You can check it out one by one and check your responsive website. It's working perfectly or not. Also, you can change the screen orientation to horizontal and vertical. In this way, you can test your mobile-friendly website on Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.